Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Steaming, or boiling. Peeled chunks of the butternut squash on the stovetop until tender is definitely the quickest method for preparing butternut squash puree. We simply seasoned it with butter, salt and pepper, and the result is a super creamy, silky textured puree. 24 November 2015.
Take our lead.
Steamed butternut squash. Fill a medium pot with enough water on the bottom to not touch the steamer basket. Cover and bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. Once the steam builds in the pot, this will take a few minutes. Cook the butternut squash fork tender, about 9 to 11 minutes. The 6th of November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
To boil butternut squash, first peel off its tough outer skin, and then remove the seeds. Cube the squash, place it in a pot of boiling water, and cook until fork tender, about 7 to 10 minutes. 25 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Oven method, halved. Scrub squash well with vegetable brush, cut in half, remove seeds. Brush with oil, and season with salt and pepper. Place on prepared baking pan, cut side up or cut side down. Bake 35 to 60 minutes, depending on size of squash, or until fork tender, easily pierced with fork. 8 November 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
5 days. Do not refrigerate whole butternut squash. It will keep for a month or more in a cool, dark place. Peeled butternut squash should be stored tightly covered and refrigerated for up to 5 days. 17 July 2008.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cut the halves in half again and then peel the quartered squash with a sharp knife or durable vegetable peeler. Then, cut the squash into 1-inch cubes and boil in water, or steam in a steamer basket, until tender. You can then season the buttercup squash and serve it whole, sliced, or mashed. 15 January 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Do you hate peeling and chopping raw, hard butternut squash? Here's another way. Cut it into quarters and steam it in the pressure cooker or instant pot. After steaming, it's really easy to scoop the squash from the tough outer skin. This method is perfect for any recipe that calls for pureed or mashed squash. 5 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.